Trojan creators do not look for A. Credit card information, B. Confidential data, C. Important documents, D. Securing systems with such programs. The correct answer is securing systems with such programs. Perform automated DOS denial of service attacks on a targeted web address. A. DOS Trojan, B. Backdoor Trojan, C. Trojan Banker, D. Trojan Downloader. The correct answer is DOS Trojan. A provides malicious users remote control over the targeted computer. A. DOS Trojan, B. Backdoor Trojan, C. Trojan Banker, D. Trojan Downloader. The correct answer is Backdoor Trojan. Programs are specially designed for stealing your account data for online banking systems, e-payment services, credit debit cards. A. DOS Trojan, B. Backdoor Trojan, C. Trojan Banker, D. Trojan Downloader. The correct answer is Trojan Banker. Work in background keeps on downloading other malicious programs when the system is online. A. DOS Trojan, B. Backdoor Trojan, C. Trojan Banker, D. Trojan Downloader. The correct answer is Trojan Downloader. Trojans do not do one of the following. What is that? A. Deleting data, B. Protecting data, C. Modifying data, D. Copying data. The correct answer is protecting data. Which of them is not a proper way of getting into the system? A. IM, B. Attachments, C. Official product sites, D. Untrusted sites, freeware and pirated software. The correct answer is official product sites. Trojans cannot A. Steal data, B. Self-replicate, C. Steal financial information, D. Steal logging credentials. The correct answer is self-replicate. By gaining access to the Trojan system, the attacker can stage different types of attack using that program running in the background. A. Trojan, B. Virus, C. Antivirus, D. Anti-malware. The correct answer is Trojan. Some Trojans carry ransomware with them to encrypt the data and ask for ransom. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Trojan Downloader is a special type of Trojans which can download install new versions of malicious programs. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following port is not used by Trojans? A. UDP, B. TCP, C. SMTP, D. MP. The correct answer is MP. Works in background and steals sensitive data. A. Virus, B. Shareware, C. Trojan, D. Adware. The correct answer is Trojan. A is a small malicious program that runs hidden on infected system. A. Virus, B. Trojan, C. Shareware, D. Adware. The correct answer is Trojan. Once activated, can enable to spy on the victim, steal their sensitive information, gain backdoor access to the system. A. Virus cyber criminals, B. Malware penetration testers, C. Trojans cyber criminals, D. Virus penetration testers. The correct answer is Trojans cyber criminals.